Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model these characters, these very easy heads in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our model. So here is the reference I was using. So here is the reference, and here is our model. This is our reference, and this is our model. This is our reference, and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.